Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on SiteGround. First, log into your account. Once you're in, go to the website section on the upper menu. Next, click Site Tools beside the website you want to work with. After that, on the left panel, go to WordPress. Then, select Install and Manage. Now, select WordPress to install. Choose the domain you want to use. Then, fill out your username, password, and email. Once you're done, click the Install button. And that's it. WordPress is now installed on your SiteGround website. If you click on Admin Panel, it will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard. And that's it. Through this, you'll now able to navigate WordPress through SiteGround. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.